Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to germinate a miracle fruit seed. So this is a miracle fruit seed. So what I did was I got a paper towel, got it wet, put the miracle seed in here, and put it in this plastic bag so it would keep the moisture on it. And then after that, I put it under this light, keep it warmer, which helps it germinate faster. And as you can see, it is germinated right there at the end. That little white part, white or pink part, is the root breaking through, and I'll be able to plant it. So that's all to this video. Thank you for watching.